So you can see right here, this is going to be my bed tonight, but it's not exactly flat. Filled up my sled full of snow. All right, so the bed looks like it's about 8 feet long, and that's the minimum length I can handle. Oh, if I had this tarp pitched on the ground like it normally would be, I'd have to be kneeling in the snow and ice, and it just sucks the heat out of you. I'll tell you what, I really love these X-Ped sleeping mats in the wintertime. Don't have to worry about rolling off the edge or snuggling up to the ice in the middle of the night. This will work. This is an emergency bivvy in case you get caught in a snowstorm and you need a quick shelter.